guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I am doing a video sharing all the new products that have landed in the shop. I have a coupon code for the weekend. Fall is calling for 10% off your order. You will get a free gift with $60. So I'm going to start with the Katherine Pooler release. We have a brand new sequence mix called Vienna. And let's open it up and take a look. We've got really pretty reds and pinks and silver. We have this stamp called Dasher and a coordinating die. We have a really cute reindeer with some ornaments in the antlers. The sentiment reads, "Here's to a festive season." We have a holly jolly layered word die. So you get a little shadow with this one. Sentiment pack called Merriest Sentiments. So we have eat, drink, be merry, jingle all the way, fa la 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 la, merriest Christmas, may your holidays sparkle, oh what fun, sending holiday cheer. So nice big chunky sentiments. And then we have your sentiment strips, and this one is called Holiday One-Liners. So these are perfect for your little flag banners. And we've got all kinds of sentiments in here. Or let me pick out some from the pack. We've got, oh, what a year, bring on the cookies, you're on my nice list, time to jingle and mingle, better to be good for goodness sake, happy new year, 'tis the season to be freezin', can I refill your eggnog, bring on the bling, holiday hugs. So a nice array of sentiments for holiday card making. Then we have this cover plate, and this one is called Belly Laughs, and it reads ho 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 all over the cover plate with some nice little snowflakes. We have a cute little stamp called Naughty List. Features these cute little puppies and kitties playing with all the holiday accessories. We have you been naughty or nice? Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Look at that cute little cat peeking out of the Christmas tree. And I love this little dog with the candy cane hanging off his lips. And I do have the coordinating die. We have a large 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Old Saint Nick. And it is really, really cute. These little outfits. The little Santa outfit. We've got PJs. Look at this t-shirt that says, "We'll stop for cookies." The sentiments, leave a peppermint stick for Old Saint Nick. Happy holidays. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Santa Claus is coming to town. And then I do have the die. This is a really cute pattern paper, 6x6. Better not pout. It matches that reindeer. So there's that cute little reindeer, and then very nice patterns. The colors are kind of pastel. We've got that pink in there, a lighter green. So I'm going to share some Honeybee fall goodies. So we've got some Halloween fun. This is a circle scape. It's called Fright Night. And we've got a little fence. Look at the little jack-o'-lantern, bat, a tombstone, and this very spooky tree. And then it does emboss these little twinkles. So you can make a nice little night scene with that. We've got this large sentiment pack here called Fall for You. Nice big sentiments. Bring each day with a grateful heart. In all things give thanks. Gratitude changes everything. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. There's two smaller sentiments. Fall is proof that change is beautiful, and I still fall for you every day. We have Toil and Trouble honey cuts, and there is some embossing on this, so you get great detail when you cut these out. So you can make a nice spooky little scene. And here is the sample. So this card does come with your honey cuts, so you have an idea how to layer up your little dies. We've got Perfect Potion stamp sets, and then the shaker. So you can make some shaker potions, which is really cool. This large stamp set here is called Happy Halloween. We have this large web, which will cover your whole A2 size card. We've got Happy Halloween, Happy Boo Day, Got Candy, Let's Party, Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, and To My Boo, and different size spiders. And then the coordinating die here will cut out those sentiments and the spiders, the little broom. Well, it's not a broom. The little spider with the web. And then this other large stamp set is called If the Broom Fits. So you get all the pieces for a witch's outfit. There's some hats, the witch's legs with the boots. There's a cool broom, a skirt. There's some webs and bats and skulls and bones and stars and feathers in here. And then the coordinating die will cut out all the images. And also there's a black cat. So very fun stamp set. This next one here is a little spooky. And it has embossing in there as well, so you'll get great detail when you cut out the images. And then this little layering guide comes with, so you have an idea on how to layer up all these images. And this one is called Lovely Layers Fall Foliage. And this one also has some embossing in there, so you get great detail. And then here are the little layers. You can make up a little fall arrangement. And this large stamp set here is really pretty. This is called Fall Foliage Frame. And this frame here is really pretty when you add color to it. And then the nice big sentiments you could stamp in the middle of the frame. We've got thinking of you so very much. Thank you for your kindness. You are the best. Love you. Today and always, sending big hugs. Hello, my friend. And then this die will cut out all the sentiments and the frame. We have teapot and cup. So you can paper piece this with different colors. You can make a black and white teapot or whatever color you want. And then there's a stamp set with the same teapot. And then you can add these flowers on top of the teapot. The sentiments read, take life one cup at a time, missing you, hey there, you're my best tea, and but first tea. And then there's a coordinating die to cut out these images. I think this next stamp is really pretty. This is called On the Line Fall Florals. And you get these two beautiful floral clusters on the line. And then these nice sentiments. Hello, you're the best. For your kindness, thankful, grateful for your friendship, blessed to have you in my life, and for you. And then the coordinating die. I have the Honeybee Spooktacular paper pad. We get some fall shades, and then we get some Halloween shades. So nice paper pad. And this paper pad measures 6 by 8.5. So we also had a Trinity Stamps release. So I'm going to share those items with you. We got a cute little stamp here called Spookysaurus. Look at that cute little dragon. We've got Candy Attack, Treat, Trick, Rawr, and Spookysaurus Rex. He's super funny. We have this Witch's Brew stamp set. So we get this cute little witch with her cat. The sentiments that say, a special brew for you. Wishing you a happy Halloween and best wishes on your birthday. And then I do have the die for that one. We have Pumpkin Bouquet. And then we have the sentiment, Happy Thanksgiving. I do have the die for this one as well. And then we have Thankful and Grateful. So cute little stamp set with the sentiment. And then there is a coordinating die for that one. So if you like foiling, we have some foiling dies, so the spooky will cut and foil. You also get that little shadow layer. Oh, and you have the sample on the back. We've got the haunted house cutout die. Let's see, you can see the sample on the back there. Grateful sentiment die. So you get the shadow. We have a punny mummy 4x6 stamp set. So we got two little mummies there facing each other, and all these sentiments. You're so well preserved from your from your mummy. You can write that. So these are like mix and match sentiments to create your own. We've got Unwrap Me. That'd be perfect for a present. Take time to unwind. You're the best. Spooky mail. I like that. And then there's the coordinating die. Sheets and giggles. So we've got some cute little ghosts. And their sentiments. You're fabulous. You have a beautiful soul. Boo, shake your booty. Happy spooky season, and have a spooktacular Halloween in oh sheet. And then the coordinating die. Here's a cute little slimline die, Spooky Scene Builder. So this is going to be perfect for your slimline cards. And look at those trees. You can probably use those trees all year round. You can add leaves to them as well if you have some leaf dies. There's a scary little owl and some tombstones, and there's a ground that you can also use for snow. We've got Harvest Blessings. So really nice little cluster here with the pumpkin and flowers. And then you have a single pumpkin and that sentiment, Harvest Blessings. And there is the die for that one. We've got Gorgeous. So we've got all these different gourds. Hello, Gorgeous. So you can have fun coloring all these little gourds in. And then the die. We've got Filled with Gratitude, and it's an envelope filled with leaves, berries, and just fall goodness. We've got another cut and foil stamp set called Ripe Pumpkin. So you get this piece here that will foil. You get the pumpkin face and the layer that goes behind the pumpkin. And then those little swirlies that you can add. So there's the sample on the back. We have Argyle Stitch background. So this is just a stitching. And it will look like that when you use it. We've got Haunted Hill die set. You got this nice haunted house and this tree, and you also have a little version right there with a witch, a little ghost, a bat, a little cat. You can have them peeking out of the windows. Very cute. We have some stencils, so 6x9 two-piece stencil foliage flare. So really pretty stencil. And then this one is also a two-piece stencil, Retro Diamond. And this is a 6x6 stencil. And this is a color swatch stencil. So if you like doing watercolor swatching, this stencil would be perfect for you. Some other items that we have in the shop. We have a Cat Scrappiness, all the trimmings sequence mix. So really pretty with the snowflakes. And I have a Rainbow Bridge Sentiments stamp set. So if you are wanting to make a card for someone who lost a pet, this is a perfect stamp set. And some of the sentiments read, so very sorry for the loss of your faithful friend. Our faithful friends leave paw prints on our hearts. Forever in our hearts. Pets may leave our arms, but they will never leave our hearts. Don't be sad, I'll be waiting for you at the Rainbow Bridge, and with sympathy. Some cute CC Designs stamp sets. This one is called Milkshakes. It's really, really cute with these characters, all with milkshakes. Have an extra strawberry or have an extraordinary day. You, me, and the best milkshakes in the world. Have a milkshake, problem solved. And then this really cute ghost one. So we've got some ghosts and the sentiments, hey boo, and wishing you a ghosty Halloween. From MFT, I have this Be Merry little die. We have the Christmas blessings. Very, very pretty. We've got Christmas blessings. May the miracle of Christmas fill your heart with love and joy. And then the coordinating die. And Happy Camper. So fall, perfect for fall. If you love camping, I love adventures with you. My favorite memories are made with you. I'm a happy camper when you're around. And then a die for that one. And then I have the hoodie weather stamp set. This cute little boy with his hoodie on and these cute little animals. And the acorns and the tree stump and the sentiments, the good things in life are better with you. Nuts, I forgot your birthday. Hello, friend. And being with you is a pile of fun. I have the joyful plaid. So really nice paper pad with kind of pastel-y colors. And then the Falling for Houndstooth in some nice fall colors. I have this textured stamp. It's called Touch of Texture. So we've got a nice little texture here. I like using stamps like this, like putting texture. Say you have a sweater stamp and you don't really want to color in the texture, you just stamp this. And it makes a nice background too. From the Greeting Farm, I have Foxy Fall with these cute little foxes playing in the leaves. I have Cheeky Travels from last release. And then Hugs in a Mug, which is really cute. Love this little hamster. Then we have Gnome Christmas, which is super, super cute. Christmas is here, and Gnome for the holidays. So those are the new items that I have in the shop. If you haven't checked out the shop recently, you can use that coupon code Fall is Calling for 10% off this weekend. If you need a reason to get out your craft supplies, we have a monthly challenge. You can head on over to our blog. It's a mood board challenge and a sketch. You can do either or both. Really great mini slimline sketch. If you've never tried a sketch before, try it out. It's on the blog. It's really easy to do. It's really easy to follow a sketch. It's fun. It's quick and easy. And you can link up your card for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the shop. So the winner will be chosen at the beginning of next month. So thanks guys for stopping on over. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye guys.